FEMA's direct temporary housing program is set to end in eastern Kentucky in January. That announcement coming 18 months after a major disaster declaration for eastern Kentucky after the deadly flooding there. According to FEMA, 129 households have been licensed into temporary housing since then, and 77 other households have found permanent housing through the program. The program is set to end January 29th, but FEMA says help will still be available after that date.